Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Koctic Wi-Fi Extender is a Wi-Fi 6 range extender. This device provides lightning-fast speeds with up to 600 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and 2400 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band. In this video, we provides Koctic Wi-Fi Extender setup, reset and installation tips. Let's start the process. To start the setup process, place Koctic Wi-Fi Extender device near to your existing Wi-Fi router. Then power on both the devices. Now verify the power LED status on your router and Wi-Fi extender. If the power LED flashes blue or white, it means both devices are ready for setup. Find the WPS button on your main router and Wi-Fi extender. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for a few seconds. You should see the router's WPS indicator light to confirm its WPS active status. When the WPS active, then LED lights start blinking. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Koctic Wi-Fi extender. Wait for 2 minutes for the devices to communicate and establish a connection. The extender's LED light should turn solid when the connection is successful. After WPS setup or a successful connection, you can place the Koctic Wi-Fi extender to its desired location within range of the Wi-Fi router. You can reach us if facing any trouble. To set up Koctic Wi-Fi extender using a web browser, you need a laptop or smartphone. Connect laptop or smartphone with the Wi-Fi extender SSID. The default password is available on the extender backside. Now, launch a web browser and type default IP address in the web address bar. Login with default username and password. Default login and password is admin. After login, choose the repeater mode setup. Create a password for the extender network and then save all the settings. If your extender not working or you can't get the Wi-Fi network, then you can reset the Koctic Wi-Fi extender to its factory default settings. After reset, your extender will work easily. To reset this device, simply hold and press the reset button about 5 to 10 seconds. Press the reset button using a paper clip or pin. Reset button is available in a small hole on the side or bottom of the extender. Wait for 2 minutes to start this extender again. Now, you need to set up this extender again. If your Koctic Wi-Fi extender not working or not connecting to the Wi-Fi router, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel. It helps to support us.